Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the WhatsApp account that is banned or temporarily blocked. First, understand that this usually happens if WhatsApp detects unusual activities, use of unofficial apps, or violations of its terms of service. If your account is temporarily blocked, wait for the timer shown in the app to expire before trying again. Then make sure you're using the official WhatsApp app and then not any modified versions of it. Then your account is permanently banned. You can contact WhatsApp support through the app or website and request a review. Avoid sending spam messages or using automation tools. This can trigger account restrictions. That's how you fix a banned or temporary blocked WhatsApp account. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.